Hi guys, this is Salt from Salt and Pepper. Welcome to a new little tutorial where I'm going to show you how to transfer weights from one bone to the other. We're going to do that on the Legacy Body Kit because maybe some of you already noticed when you get the kit we have a little issue that the weights, that there are actually some weights on the spine bone which don't belong there. They actually belong to the M pelvis bone, and M pelvis therefore is empty. So we're going to transfer those weights. This is mandatory to make your clothing in world actually to work and to move with the correct bones so you won't run into any issues. It's a quick fix and I'm going to show you how to do that. When you receive the kit, it looks like this, and the skeleton is not really visible. That's because the shading is not turned on. What I usually do is just set it to X-ray the joints and you can see the skeleton. And then you can click it on and off via the layers. So if we look at the weights, I'm going to the paint weight tool. This is still set a little bit bigger. You can already see that the M pelvis is empty. It's completely black. There is no weight on it. If we look at the regular pelvis, there you can see weights. And if we're going to go to spine 2, you see there weights as well. Now this bone is actually a part of the new bento back, which is usually not used for human avatars in the animation. There are some animations that do trigger that bone, and this is when you're going to see the clothing clip and move very weird on the body, and it's not going to revert back to the regular fit that you might have. You will also see an issue if you use the pelvis sliders in world and make it a lot smaller, then you might run into fitting issues as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to transfer this weights just to the pelvis, and then the body kit will work fine. Well, so what we want to do is going to select the vertices that will be affected. It's going to be that area. Then we're going to go to the paint tools. We will select the spine 2, the M spine 2 first. Make sure that the vertices that you selected cover everything that has weights on them. Then you shift select the M pelvis. It's Command on the Mac to get the second one. So first spine, you have the source first, the second is the target where the weights are going to go. And then you have a little icon right here where you can transfer the influences from one bone to the other. When you click that, it's going to take a little because it's quite a few weights that have to be transferred. And then give it a few seconds, depending on your machine, it's going to take from a few seconds, maybe a minute or so. And then the weight should be transferred. So let's wait a second here. And here we go. The weights are transferred. Now, let's double check. We can go into the regular object mode, go into the tools. Now you can see that M pelvis has exactly the same weights that we had before on the spine. And if we're going to go to the spine, it should be completely empty. It's black here. And now you can use that kit to work with your clothing and make it work in world. I hope that helped a little bit. See you guys soon. Bye.